is our jungle walk. The jungle right by our house. We walk this to get to the beach. And we love it. It's so beautiful. There's so many butterflies and crabs and birds. And it's, what is it, about like a half of a mile walk?
Yeah, I'd say so. Like, maybe a mile.
Maybe a mile, but the jungle goes on.
Yeah, the jungle just keeps on going.
And there's little beaches off the cat, little different cats.
Yeah, jungle walk.
Here, Dougie, do you want to say something about walking to the beach?
Yep.
What do you want to say? Look at the camera.
And I bought myself a lemonade. Now, and then I'm gonna get some refill of kombucha and
Here comes the truck.
Car through the
and
jungle.
so.